Hey, hi guys, this is Kamsi. I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about what are the programming languages and their uses. Why I am taking this, I'm doing this video because so many people are learning the languages because of they want to get a job. What is the real meaning of using the programming or learning of languages and the uses? It is the most important thing. At first, beginners who can learning the programming language choose the best programming language because all are the best programming language. Career is the most important thing. Each and every language has a certain priority, certain position, certain everything. Each and every languages. Don't say that this language is not good, this language is not good, this is not a popular language, this is not so on. That each and every language is a popular language, each and every language is most important. Okay, just try to learn as your wish. Don't use different languages and try to focus on one language and get a perfect in that language. Okay, I in this video I will give you a brief all information about the languages which is used nearly 4 languages. I will give you a brief idea what are the uses of this machine learning. Okay, missions what are the uses of the languages and where they are using. Like this I will give the information. Okay, at first one can start with Python. Python is the most high level programming language nowadays. It's a popular programming language. So many people are saying that this is language is used for the data science and machine learning and web development, web app application. Whereas the data science is under it can use deep learning and natural language processing. We can use the different data science techniques for Python. Because why the Python is used in data science most because Python can support the packages also. It is very easy to write the code of the data science. It is used to it helps to load the data sets from the huge amount of data sets. It can load very easily by using the pandas. We can visualize the data sets by using the NumPy by using the MATLAB and the Seaborns, etc. There is a lot of uses of the Python. So they are using data science and machine learning. Obviously it is used in game development and web app applications also. By web app application, how can we use Python as a web app applications? By using the frameworks of Python like Django or Flask. These are the two major frameworks of the Python. By using these frameworks we can build the web applications. We can do the web applications, web websites for the purposing of this. So like that Python is used. Okay, another we can go to the another programming language is Java. Java is last 30 decades, I think 3 decades, I think so. Last 3 decades is the most popular. Nearly 30 years plus is the most popular languages is Java. It is mostly used for Android apps development, Android app, web app, and any app. It is mostly used for Android app development. By using the Java we can develop the Android apps. So there is a versions in the Java 1, Java up to I think so recently version I have seen. I don't remember that version ID. So because Java is the most popular thing when you are going for Android apps development, games app development, anything. By using the Kotlin is one of the thing, and come and Shift is used for iOS, whereas Java is used for Android apps and Shift is used for iOS. There is a lot of major differences between this. Try to remember that when Java is used for Android app development and Shift is used for iOS development. Okay, and our next programming language is C++. C++ is one of the programming language which is used for develop the games, UGI apps and OS operating systems. This is the most important language because we want to learn heavily. There is a lot of content in this language C++. It is a very useful language. So we can get a jobs on C++. As in, so many jobs IDs also there. We can get a jobs for developing the games development, UGI and iOS development. For you can develop the OS, different operating systems. So there is operating system like the Windows, Linux, Mac. We can develop them by using the C++. By using that development, we can modify the developments. We can change by using the C++. So it is a most important of the language. You can also have a look. Each and every language is easy, but when you have concentration on that language, at the time only we can solve the each and every languages by your own self. And can you try to learn how the way you want to learn means you want to go to the content theory institute. What are the idea behind this algorithm or that concept? How can you use? Where can we use? Like that, we want to learn more about this concept. When you are clear all about these languages, at the time only you can go to get a job and as possible as early. Okay, I hope you have understand about the C++. And the next one is JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the language which is used for service apps or web development, mobile apps. This is same like of Django, same like as Java, but there is a lot of difference between the Java and JavaScript because they are used for Android, so this can be used for service based apps also. So for development purpose, by using HTML and CSS, we can develop the websites, web apps, web pages, like that. So many things we can develop by using the JavaScript. Going to the front-end developer, JavaScript is one of the thing contained in the front-end developer. For the front-end developer, we can learn through the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For JavaScript is working of the function in the website, so they can use it as a JavaScript. So these are the more, I think that these are the four major for you I'm teaching for this in this video, like Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript. Choose one of the best language, choose one of the language, and you can go through the language, be perfect in that language. At the time only you can get jobs very soon. Okay. And one more thing I want to say for you, that I am starting the playlist of feature engineering in my channel. You can go through the feature engineering techniques which is used for the data science purpose, and I am going to complete the Python playlist also. You can go through that. Okay, I hope you are all understand about these four languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. Choose one language and make perfect on that language, and you can get a job very as possible as easy. Learn the way you want to develop yourself. This is the most important. Learn the language for development, not for excitement. Okay, you want to learn for development. How can you think like how we can develop the languages? How can we use the languages? How can these are the languages? There is means of programming language and their users and users. What are the users and how they use, like this in this video I have explained. I hope you have all understand about this video. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about the data science, and make sure you can't concentration on the one of the programming language. Choose your best. Okay friends, bye. I hope you have all understand. Please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye friends, take care.